Viral fake text videos are taking over TikTok and YouTube Shorts. You've probably seen these dramatic conversations between friends, cheating scandals, mystery texts, all playing out in a chat screen. They're short, addictive, and insanely viral. Some of these videos rack up millions of views in just a few days, and what's even crazier is that the creators behind them are making serious money through the TikTok Creativity Program and YouTube Partner Program. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a professional video editor or spend hours creating these content. Thanks to an amazing AI that can help you make these viral fake text videos in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the exact process of making your own fake text video using a powerful AI tool called KORPIAI. This AI takes care of everything, from writing the script and generating lifelike chat animations to adding background music and even voiceovers. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. You don't want to miss a single step. Now let's get started. Head over to this video description and click on the link to open up KORPIAI. Once you're on the site, click Open Dashboard and sign up using your Google account. It's fast and simple. KORPIAI is quickly becoming a go-to tool for content creators, and for good reason. It's one of the most powerful AI-driven video generators available right now, designed to help you create high-engagement videos across a variety of viral formats. Whether it's fake text message stories, Reddit-style narratives, X, formerly Twitter threads, and lots more. KORPIAI makes it possible to produce this content in just a few minutes with little to no editing experience. Today, we're focusing on fake text videos. These are super popular across TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Click on the Fake Text option to enter the creation workspace. Here's where the magic starts. The first thing you'll want to do is upload a profile picture. This image will be used as the chat avatar, helping to give your conversation that authentic, real text message look. Next is scripting your story. KORPIAI gives you several options for bringing your fake conversation to life. You can build everything manually. Click on either the sender or the receiver and type your messages one by one. This method gives you total control over how the chat flows. If you already have a script written out, use the import feature. Just click Import, paste your text following the format shown in the example, and hit the Import button. KORPIAI will automatically build the conversation for you, saving you a ton of time. If you're starting from scratch and need help coming up with a story, that's where the AI script generator comes in. Click on the AI script tab and you'll be presented with two really useful options. First, there's the template option. These are pre-made interesting topics. Scroll through them, pick the one that fits your vibe, and hit Generate Script. The AI will instantly produce a ready-to-use conversation based on the template you chose. Or, if you have a unique idea in mind, choose the Custom Prompt feature. This is where you can describe or type your idea into the prompt box, and KORPIAI will build a compelling chat for you from scratch. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create everything manually. First, we need a text script for our fake conversation, and for that, we're going to use ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a fake text conversation based on any idea you have in mind. It could be a dramatic relationship chat, a suspenseful mystery exchange, a funny best friend moment, whatever fits the vibe you're going for. Then hit Enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will serve up a realistic, engaging fake text script. Now copy the first message from the first character. Then, in KORPIAI, enter that character's name in the Name section. Then click on Add Receiver and paste the message you just copied. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the first response from the second character, and head back to KORPIAI. This time, click Add Sender and paste that message in. Now you'll repeat this back and forth process, copying each line from ChatGPT and pasting it under the right character in KORPIAI until the entire conversation is loaded in. Make sure you're matching each message with the correct character to keep the flow natural and believable. Once your full script is in place and everything looks good, it's time to move on. Click Next. In this next section, you'll get to choose the chat theme of your fake text video. KORPIAI gives you a bunch of chat themes to pick from. Whether you want your conversation to look like a WhatsApp chat, an iMessage thread, or even an Instagram DM, there's a style for every kind of story. Scroll through the options, select the one that fits your idea best, and click Next to move on. Now we're in the video section. This is where you choose what plays behind your chat screen. There's Minecraft gameplay and a ton of other visuals to choose from. Take your time and select the one that catches your attention. Then click Next and you will be presented with the audio section. First, select your background music from the built-in library. You can preview each track before selecting. Go with something that matches the tone of your story. Now to make sure the voiceover doesn't rush through the lines, slightly slow down the voice speed using the slider. Then pick your voiceovers for both characters. KORPIAI offers incredibly realistic AI voices. Preview them until you find the perfect fit for your characters. Once you're happy with everything, hit Generate. KORPIAI will now begin its magic, automatically stitching it all together into a polished video. As you can see, our video is ready. Download it directly to your device. Now let's check out the final result.
I can't believe you ditched me again for that party. I didn't ditch you. You said you didn't feel like going. Yeah, after you spent the whole week hyping it up and then didn't even ask if I changed my mind. I'm not your babysitter, Ava. You could have just texted me if you wanted to go.
All right, let's talk pricing. KORPIAI offers 3 flexible plans, so you can pick the one that fits your content goals. First up is the Clipper plan at just $15 a month, giving you 60 video exports per month, along with a suite of powerful features to help you create eye-catching content. Then there's the Hobby plan, perfect if you're just getting started. It's only $7 a month and gives you 30 videos per month, plus access to essential features. And if you're all in and ready to level up your output, the Pro plan is where it's at. For $21 per month, you get a massive 180 videos per month, making it perfect for serious creators who want to scale fast and stay consistent. Considering how effortlessly KORPIAI helps you create professional, scroll-stopping videos with just a few clicks, investing in one of these plans is a no-brainer. Whether you're a casual creator or ready to go full throttle, there's a plan that'll get you there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop your questions in the comment section.